people, and this is my ninth review of the day, and I'm so happy. My God. So, the movie that we are reviewing right now is Abhishek Bachchan and Aishwarya Rai's film Guru, and true to its name, I mean, it's like Guru, like when you really think of it, this particular film brought together gurus of different fields, Mani Ratnam as a director, A.R. Rahman as a music composer, Abhishek Bachchan, Aishwarya Rai, and Mithun Chakravarti also has a very powerful role to play in it, and Madhavan, who's from the South industry. So, at many levels, one would say that such a film has to do well, but honestly, it is the script that they say is been inspired by by Ambani's life story, and also it's Abhishek Bachchan, he plays that role so well that you really begin to think that he is this Gujarati gentleman who's a businessman who's, like, I mean, for those 3 hours, you forget that he's Abhishek Bachchan. You just see him as a character that he's playing. Uh, so, so I mean, if there are top 10 Hindi movies that you should watch, that an audience should watch, I would say Guru is probably not on the number one spot, but close enough. I mean, it's one of these few films that really any avid Hindi movie lover shouldn't miss. So just go and get yourself a DVD, buy it, yeah, if required, because it's just so important to watch this film. So thanks for watching this video, people, and please subscribe.